So just left the hostel, heading down to the beach. It's a 5-minute walk from the hostel. The beach is called Mermeli, Plaji. Is that right, lads?
Yeah, that's right.
Mermeli, Plaji. So some guys that are staying in the hostel here. We've got Jamie from England, Oscar from Holland, and the main man, Ahmed. Ahmed from, well, how do you say, originally Sudan, but living in Qatar, right? Dr. Ahmed. He fixed me up. I have a problem with my foot and he fixed me right up. Legend. It's nice around here. So this is the Old Town. It's beautiful.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You want to drink something?
Rabbits.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Look at the rabbits. We're coming back this way. We're coming back here. They all want something. You just say, I'm coming back this way, I'll see you later. So then you obviously don't come back this way.
Oh, you do? You want to see some
rabbits? Well, you get to pet the rabbit for €1. That's what you're into. So as you're walking to the beach, you have to go through a restaurant, it seems. I think we pay here, do we, to go down? Yeah, so it's a private beach. They must own the land here. It's lovely. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh. And so we pay here in the restaurant, yeah? To go down. Okay. Okay, so how much is it?
40 each.
40 each, so I'm paying for 2 for me and him over there.
Look at that beautiful. It's a nice place.
See our tickets.
What's that?
Right, that's to go down.
You paid?
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. Oh, it's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
So there's a guy here that finds sunbeds for us. I don't know. So Ahmed's wife and probably her friend as well are going to join us. How are you? Thanks. Let me tell you about Ahmed here. I was walking around with a limp and he noticed, he said, what's wrong? I said, I have a big blister under my foot. He goes, oh, let me look, I can probably help with that. I said, don't worry about it, no, it's okay, you know. He goes, no, look, really. Anyways, to cut a long story short, he went to the pharmacy and he bought all the stuff that was needed and came back and he's after like sorting me right out. He opened the blister and put the bandages on and everything. Like, such a gentleman. I tried to give him the money for it and he wouldn't take it. Like, yeah, a true gent. Just chilling here, drinking beers on the beach. Very nice. With Tupac. And his wife there. And the lads are swimming. Jamie. So we've left the beach and just myself and Jamie are going for a bit of food. We stay down there for the sunrise. I forgot to get the camera out. We're full of drink, full of bottles of beer, drinking all day. Yeah, we hit the road. Yeah. I don't have anything, man, I'm sorry. There's a few junkies around looking for euros now, looking for stuff. There's a mosque. So we're in a place called Pide. It's famous here in Antalya. The guy who runs the hostel told us about it. Brilliant. So for 30 Lira, it's €3. You can get a mixed plate of everything. So I'll just show you really. So you can choose anything you want from there. Beans, stuffed paprika, a load of minced beef, mushrooms, what do you call it, aubergine, is that what you call them?
Aubergine.
Yeah, aubergine. I mean, look at that, meatballs. It's something else, isn't it? Yeah. You enjoying it? Enjoying it there?
So good.
Yeah.